Hello everyone, this is Melanie and welcome to my vlog. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of the tea that I got from my Korean student who recently visited the Philippines. It says, "Thank you," but I would like to say thank you to my student, Mr. Lee, for giving this because he also gave this on my birthday. So it also serves as birthday present from him and at the same time to thank me for teaching him. This tea is, of course, from Korea. It is OSULLOC tea. And as you can see, the packaging looks sturdy. You might want to keep it and use it as a storage box. I did a little background of OSULLOC tea. It says it is originally grown in Jeju Island of Korea and certified organic. So let's open it. Ooh, look at this. So this box comes with four boxes, small boxes, and it says here, this tea, okay, so let's check it out. OSULLOC, it's Korean here. I can read it, but I don't understand, so I wouldn't bother. So this one is camellia flower tea. Sweet and delicious flavors of Jeju camellia blossom and tropical fruits. And here it has the base. Okay, first it has the ingredients: camellia flower and pineapple. And it is black tea. And it also comes with tasting notes. So it means this tea will, upon reading the label of the box, this tea will tell you what to expect, especially when it comes to taste. Flowery, sweet, tropical fruit. So it's like when choosing, it really looks expensive. Actually, I didn't check the price, but judging by the packaging, I can tell this must be expensive. Actually, we say we should not judge the book by its cover, but this time I think it's easy to judge the book by its cover because the label itself, it shows good. Now, smells good. So this is camellia flower tea. Oh, the box has oranges. It must be orange. Okay, this one is tangerine flower tea. Refreshingly floral and fruity flavors of Jeju tangerine. If you are an avid fan of Korean dramas or Korean movies, you have seen in some of their dramas in Jeju Island, they have a vast plantation of tangerines. Gyu, in Korea it's gyu. So what to expect from this? So the ingredients are tangerine and marigold. Okay, this must be marigold. And the tasting notes say flowery and citrus. So what to expect? Of course, citrusy flavor and smell. Let's see. Now, the third one is red papaya black tea. Black tea with fragrant red rose and sweet papaya flavors. Papaya. So papaya is not only soap, it is also tea. So it's black tea. When do we drink black tea? Black tea is good after meals. Like black tea is good for digestion. So if you, for example, if you have been to a buffet, it won't hurt you if you drink black tea after that because it will really help with your digestion. So this is black tea, papaya. The ingredients are papaya and rose, and the tasting notes say sweet tropical fruit. Next one is Rooibos Pure, deep flavored pure rooibos tea that resembles the red sun. Okay, no tasting notes. Anyway, I'm a tea lover. When my friends give me tea, I'm really happy. Right now, I have lots of tea, and I want to say thank you to my friends who have given me tea so far. So, what should I try? Which one? Which one should I try? How about which one? Come on. How about I feel like drinking camellia flower tea. Okay. So, I have prepared. Oh. Okay. So, I have prepared. Let's put it here. This teapot and this one. I will get the freshly boiled water. So, what do we have here? Camellia flower and pineapple. So the instructions say 1 tea bag and 150 ml water, and let it stay for 2 minutes. Smells good. You can smell the expensive tea. I have no videographer, so I'm doing it by myself. I'm a tea lover, and I really appreciate every tea that my friend gives me. Shout out to my friend who always remembers me and give me tea. So while waiting, because it says 2 minutes, while waiting, I turned into drinking tea because I gave up drinking soda. The last time I drank soda was in 2003. So it's been like 19 years since I last drank Pepsi or Coca-Cola, and I felt good. I felt nice. And so because of that, I turned into drinking tea, and most of the time water. Tea because it soothes me. Tea because it helps with my digestion. And sometimes when you're really tired, tea energizes me, and I love the smell of the tea, especially this one. I am also looking forward to inviting my friends and having a tea party. I think my tea is ready. Mr. Lee, thank you so much for giving me this tea. I hope you will give me another one when you come back after 3 months. And in some other Asian countries, they really put a significance in drinking tea. Tea has been a part of their lives. My Korean students always drink tea, and I think it's one of the secrets why they remain slender. You know that if you are an avid fan of Korean dramas and Korean movies, or you like K-pop, you can seldom find a Korean person who is obese or fat. And I think, correct me if I'm wrong, I think one of their secrets is because they drink tea a lot. It did not disappoint. It's really good. So, just like what I said, tea ceremony is a very important ceremony in some Asian countries. Japan, Korea, Taiwan, China. But in the Philippines, we just drink tea because we love it. Do you like? Would you like to drink tea? She doesn't like to drink tea. Nice. Very nice. Next time, I'm going to do a review of the effects of the tea that my friend brought me from Hong Kong. I will not say who she is because you might want to ask her. So it's a secret. I will not tell you. So this is Melanie. Thank you for watching. Let's enjoy drinking tea because it's healthy, it's refreshing, and it helps with our digestion. Before I forget, this OSULLOC tea is low in caffeine, so it's really good. To all my friends who are watching, you know what to give me. 3 letters, TEA. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.